And you're welcome to Advanced Me, where you transform today, advance tomorrow. Do you know you can be a pro using the Microsoft Excel? Yes, it is not as complicated as you think. I'll be starting a series I call the Excel Dictionary, whereby I'll be looking into some of the Excel functions, formula, and features from A to Z. Trust me, it's going to be worthwhile. First and foremost, like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos of this. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the Excel interface, introducing you to the workspace. When you open the Excel, this is what it looks like. You have the blank workbook, the billing statement, the blood pressure tracker, expense report. These are templates. For now, I'll be working on the blank workbook. So when you click on the blank workbook, it takes you to the workspace. At the top of the workspace, we have the quick access toolbar. In the quick access toolbar, we have the save, we have the undo, we have the redo. You can always modify this, you can always change, add, or remove. If I click on the drop down here, I can add other functions I want to the quick access toolbar. For instance, if I click on email, then the email shortcut is added. I can always click on the email for if I want to mail my document. Now I can remove this likewise. If I click on it, then it's removed. Underneath that, we have the ribbon. In the ribbon, you have several modules. So here we have the home modules, we have the insert modules, we have the page layout modules, we have the formula modules, we have the data module, review module, the view module. So this helps you work faster. For instance, in the home module, we have where you can adjust your font, we have where you can also merge your cells, where you can insert cell, delete cell, format, and you can do some calculations. And for the insert, you can always import your pictures, you can always draw your charts, you can always import shapes, draw your shapes. So that is for the ribbon. Below that, we have the name bar or address box. The name box or address bar. And here we have the formula bar. Very well on the workspace, you will see that we have numerous rectangular boxes. These are called cells. The one with the thicker line is called the active cell. Now in Microsoft Word, in Microsoft PowerPoint, we have what we call cursor. But here in Excel, you can as well call the thicker border, the ones, any of the cells that has the thicker line, thicker border, cursor. At the top here, we have the column. At the other side of it, we have the row. So looking at the column, you can see the letter E here is more bold than the other alphabet, same as the numberings here. So now, if you check well, you will see that this cursor falls under letter E and also number 5. Let's check the address box. We have E5. So that means that our active cell is E5. That's E5 here. So, and the formula bar, what it does is when I type anything on it, it reflects, it displays on the formula bar, and I can clear it here. You can as well type on the formula bar, and it will also display in the cells, the active cell. If I type my name is Samuel, so I have it in the cell, and I can expand for accurate display. So this is what the workspace looks like. Below it, we have this tab is called the Sheet tab. In the Sheet tab, you can always add. There's this add button. If I add now, I'll add 2. So this is 1, this is 2. That makes Excel more interesting to work with, because I can work here, I can as well work here. I don't have to open another Excel file to continue my work, or if I have something else I want to do, especially when it's relates to one another. I can always open the number of, as many as possible, the number of sheets I want, as many as possible. So, and again, you can delete, you can make modifications, you can change, you can make changes, you can remove, and like now, I don't want this one, I can delete it. So this is, and this one we have the sheet selector. We have the sheet selectors. You can select. These are the view buttons. The view buttons, we have the normal view, whereby it's just like this, and we have the page layout. So page layout, it breaks the workspace into several pages. So, and we have the page break view. The page break view. The reason why it's like this is because the only occupied cell is C and 5 here. So if I have it extended to the letter F here. That means it will break the page from this side to this part. So that's that on the introductory part of the Excel worksheet. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, click on the notification bell for more videos updates. See you in the next video.